America's waste industry successfully manages 250 million tons of household and other municipal waste annually. The average American discards 4.43 pounds of garbage a day. The total volume of solid waste produced in the United States each year is equal to that of the weight of 2.3 million Boeing jets. If we put all the solid waste collected in the United States in a line of average garbage trucks, that line of trucks could cross the country 100 times, extending from New York to Los Angeles. Some 114,000 cans are recycled every minute in the United States. There is also no limit to the amount of times glass or aluminum can be recycled. Recycling glass instead of making it from silica sand reduces mining waste by 70%, water use by 50%, and air pollution by 20%. For every ton of mixed paper recycled, the energy savings equivalent is 165 gallons of gasoline. Every 27 hours, Americans consume enough bottled water to circle the entire equator with bottles stacked end to end. The federal government does not mandate that bottled water be any safer than tap water. The chemical pollution standards are nearly identical. In fact, bottled water is less regulated than tap water. Close to half of all bottled water is sourced from municipal tap water. It takes an estimated 2,000 times more energy to produce bottled water than to produce an equivalent amount of tap water. Bottled water production and transportation for the U.S. market consumes more than 30 million barrels of oil each year and produces as much carbon dioxide as 2 million cars. Plastic water bottles are the fastest growing solid waste in the United States. Each year, more than 4 billion pounds of plastic bottles end up in landfills or as roadside litter. While plastic bottles can be recycled, the majority are not. Moreover, plastic never actually degrades. It just breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces. In some parts of the ocean, plastic outweighs plankton by a 6-to-1 ratio. For every square mile of ocean, 46,000 pieces of plastic are floating in it. Bottled water also has indirect economic costs. Disposing of plastic water bottle waste, for example, costs cities nationwide an estimated $70 million in landfill tipping fees each year. Over 1 trillion bags are used worldwide annually. About 1 million plastic bags are used every minute. A single plastic bag can take up to 1,000 years to degrade. The average American family accumulates 60 plastic bags in only 4 trips to the grocery store. Anywhere from 0.5 to 3% of all bags end up recycled in the United States. The U.S. goes through 100 billion plastic shopping bags annually at an estimated cost to retailers of $4 billion. When plastics break down, they don't biodegrade, they photodegrade. This means the materials break down to smaller fragments which readily soak up toxins. They then contaminate soil, waterways, and animals upon digestion. Some nations have decided to pass plastic bag taxes, and this alone in Ireland has reduced the usage of plastic bags by 93.5%.